umaabot hanggang kabilang baryo ang hiyawan ng mga to. Unang-una, from CAA Phase 3A, Child Development Center, sa pamumuno ni Teacher Maria Liberty Katangal. And then po, CAA Phase 3B, Child Development Center. Grabe ako lang mag-isa. Yan, anyong pong lingkod. And then, CAA Phase 3C, Child Development Center, sa pamumuno po ni Teacher Lorraine Astorga. Nasaan kaya ito? Yan. Next natin, Phase 4, CAA Phase 4, Child Development Center. Teacher Nara. Oh, magaling ng mga mamis ko nandito.
Ayusin mo.
Saan si teacher? Next, from CAA Phase 4B, Child Development Center. Lakas ah.
Ang laki yan.
Ma'am Janine. Mare. Ayan. And sa Sambayanihan, Child Development Center.
Liitan mo lang, liitan mo lang. Sabi, liitan mo lang. Ang laki niyan.
Very love. And next, nagdalis Ma'am Geraldine Atalante ng Sambayanihan. Wow! Nakikita natin ang mga hiyawan ng bawat parents na kanya-kanyang center. Ngayon, formal na natin buksan ang ating Paliksinin 2024! Unang category, Vocal Solo. Yan, tawagan ko po ang chairman ng Vocal Solo. And then, dun po sa draw and pen and clay molding, nag-start na po. Bawal na po ang parents sa paligid. Ayan. Sige po. Ito na po.
Okay, so sa ating Paliksinin 2024 para sa ating vocal solo, ang ating criteria for judging is, sabihin ko lang po muna yung ating tema ng Paliksinin: break the prevalence and the violence, protect children, creating a safe activities. So sa criteria po ng ating vocal solo, number 1, it should adhere to the people. Number 2, performance should not exceed 5 minutes time frame. And number 3, -1, and all musical instruments are allowed as long as there is no vocal voice. Yeah. So, criteria po ulit: interpretation 30%, voice quality 30%, timing 20%, diction 20%. So, for a total of 100%. Okay, so simulan na po natin ang ating contestant number 1. Yung inyo pong mga kanta dito po sa ating sound system po, no, makipasa po. Contestant number 1, nandiyan na po ba?
Ayan, bago po tayo mag-start, ipapakilala muna natin ang ating mga
Yan mo lang.
supportive na mga judges. Yan. Alam mo, pinatawagan mo po si Teacher Rose Ann David para po sa pagpapakilala ng ating mga hurado.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Handa na po ba ang lahat? So, ito po yung mga judges po natin today. Paliksinin 2024, break the prevalence and the violence, protecting children, creating a safe Philippines. Our judges for today is, she is a PNU graduate with the course of BSc major in music, a teacher of the PSC National High School. She is teaching trumpet, grade 9 level, former DepEd instructor, former DepEd Quran. Currently she is currently para advisor of Pamita Pagmaya Coro. She is inspiration at our contact rank
3D yun. 3D.
Another judges for
na lang eh.